So Sagar, what's it's going to be? Another sip. This time once again, India Bank playing on 2 for none. This time a clear cut umpire straight away refusing it. Reason why umpire straight away says is not out. Just have a look at it. Very once again this time going to be a very competitive score here at GCL ground Purvarim in this match number 8. This time in the air we'll have to watch what it happens is when you are in power play. Easily done, beautifully done. Just have a look at there. Playing it wonderfully. This time, good comeback. Is it? Yes. Keeping the batsman. This time, is it gone? 1.4 overs, 8 for none, make it 1.5. The score. This time in the air, nobody down there and finds the gap, goes for the boundary. Or MS Dhoni or anybody else you can say nowadays. In the air, this time straight into the hands of a fielder. Agar Sherawat getting that breakthrough. It's 13 for 1 after 2.1 Vijaya Bank. This time in the air, nobody down there, and we'll get a boundary. Surely eyeing to score some runs in the upcoming 3 overs. This time, I don't know why they are appealing. Chance of a run out. This time, excellently well played, well fitted on the boundary line as well. You have to stop those. Boundaries that at least don't try to run like those because, oh my God, Gautam is playing on 2 of 3 balls. The attack already picking up a 1 wicket for his side. And into his 3rd over. Off the bat. Good running between the wicket. There was a chance of another run out. Are they appealing? Arts festival, but that's the cricket festival happening here in Goa. This is Goa. कितीतरी तांच्या भाषेतल्यान तांकां दिसला आसतलें. Let's back to the commentary this time. Once again, making a very, very powerful sound of the bat and taking full on. It's 32 for 2. Very big shot, but this time is the ball running towards the boundary. Yes, the man quickly moving to 14 with that boundary. Just have a look at the 4 once again. Oh my God! Wow, wow, wow! That fielder completely losing. This time, good-looking shot. Nobody down there. Take another 4. CM Gautam with 2 balls left to finish off the power play. The score quickly moves to 41. Thanks to Air India. This time once again in the air, you just cannot stop those. It's out of here, it's Biggie. Wonderful shot fielder, wonderful delivery. 47 for 2 at the moment. Still a ball left to finish off the power play. Oh my God. No, they won't, but they will get a very tricky single over here. Once again, opportunity of Gautam played 26 of just 14 balls. On strike now, CM Gautam. Oh my God, Oh my God. Is it all the way? What and way to start the 8th over for Vijaya Bank. Straight away. No bounce. This time once again, is there anybody? No, there isn't anybody. So this Rakshit quickly moves to 20 and score quickly moves to 60 for 2 after 7.2 overs. Just have a look at the batting performance. So CM Gautam says, oh my God, are they appealing? There was another chance for an out. Are you killing? Excellent. CM Gautam, the man on strike. 23, CM Gautam playing on 26. This time in the air. Is there a chance? It will land safely and with run wall is single. Now this time, to finish off the 10th, here goes Sukhjinder Singh. Excellent shot. Can fielder cut it off? Yes, he will. As I said. Exactly like this. Exactly like this. Goes to 73 with CM Gautam on 32. And that quick single. Just have a look at it once again. He bowls it well, extremely well. Oh my God. Wow. Once again, you just cannot ask me anything. Goes to 47. Just have a look at it. Wow, wow, wow. Where he was looking very frustrated because the captain's plans are not working. And this time, a good comeback by the bowler. In the air. What's going to be that? And oh my God. Should cross the boundary line. 97 for 3. Again, this time down the ground. This time one bounce. It's 101 for 3 now with that boundary scored by Shishir. Have a look at it. Nobody down there. One bounce all the way. So 13 overs have been bowled. And CM Gautam, wonderful half century. Thank you from Saidat Kamat.
This is high in the air and this is out of the ground. This is the best place to hit the ground. He looks so elegant. This guy looks so elegant when he's hitting those big blows. The class that he has shown today certainly will earn the respect. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is going way too far. Full ball, he hits you down the ground. One little bit short and swivel. Full swivel on the leg side and out it goes over square leg region. And good length deliveries, short pitch. Oh, once again, is it hat-trick of sixes? We have to wait and watch, and it's caught. Oh, this should be a loose ball, and beautifully put, hits it 1 for 6 himself. This was a poor ball, way too outside, enough room for the left-hander to hit it over the covers. Last 2 days might have helped them. Let's hope that their batsmen fare well in this match and finding the gap once again, this time in the covers region, off the back foot. Once again, the brunt on his shoulders, playing good knock. This was a short ball, finding the gap was the key, and he found it with the perfect. Once again, shot, and this time just over that covers fielder. Once again, a boundary, getting a momentum thanks to Shishir. He's seeing the ball quite well now. Sukhjinder Singh. Oh, this is huge. My God, this is so high, so high. This is once again flighted ball. You can't ball in the zone for Abhinav. He's in scintillating form. High. Oh, that's a wonderful ball. That's the one that. This time Rajesh Sharma. And this will be the idea. Now with the spinner bowling in, he will go coming after their day's work. The ball kept low there. He wanted ball from his sixth option. Rajesh Sharma looks to be bowling 2 or at the most 3 overs. This is up in the air and just over the. This time, oh what a shot, classic shot. Just a flick of the wrist. Has it gone for 6? Power. Look at that replay. Just timing. Just mere flick of the wrist and there the ball goes crossing the trusted with that appeal. Oh, that was the one. Oh, this is up in the air. He has not connected it properly. Will it be taken? Is it taken nicely down? The flick of the wrist in the mid-wicket region. That was a classy one. And now on strike. Oh, this is easy shot. This is as easy as you get. Very, very fine leg region for 4 runs. 161 for the loss of 6 in 18. Cities for Air India. This time, very good strike, but straight to the fielder at short covers. The batsmen don't move. Both one completed is 50, one short of the 50. Letting at the moment. Oh, once again straight down the ground and a massive sit. Applauded by everyone around here on the ground and especially by the teammates with CM Gautam, the captain, back in the pavilion. He had come to the forefront to the rescue of the team. This time once again, flick of the wrist. He's so strong over there. He's very strong over there. Powers it, just times it. Fully grace. Timing, grace, elegance personified by this man Shishir. This is what everyone has come here for. Officiating as well. This time in the covers and once again the boundary. Sheer brilliance. In the block hole, but it was wide. There's enough width to play the last over. This time once again in the gap, but very well. This is what I was mentioning. 2 sixes that he hit, one in the mid-wicket region and one over the square leg region where
Once again a top edge this time, once again getting lucky. And there is a saying in English, luck favors the brave. Just a matter of time, Vijay Bank can take a wicket soon, and this could be it. And Bisla is out. As I told, oh, lovely shot inside out. The deep mid wicket position by the time the fielder picks up and throws, that's just a single out stand. He will swing and he will swing big. Oh, this time clean bowled, but he's not out. Well bowled by Niaz. Oh, taking risk, Himanshu Rana flight in this 6 overs of the power play. And yes, Himanshu Rana pulled and pulled that swing. Well, can Karthik get that swing and get a wicket? Lovely drive in the gap. No one moves and the ball raced away to the boundary like a rocket. Look at that beauty. That giving that lift. Oh, dive from the wicket keeper. It could be wide and boundary. So runs coming. Yes. So the ball is up in the air. Is enough bat on that. And yes, it is. What a wonderful six and swing of the bat. So perfect. Bang she goes for the biggie. Oh, pulled beautifully once again. This time he finds the fielder in the deep square leg. Sachin Rana is cheeky single, good shot on the stumps. Also bit of fumble in the backup. They will get more 2 runs, I believe. No, just one match. Former participant play for the team. Nicely played over, finds the field in the short leg. Good pick up and throw on a single, adding up to the total. Oh, lovely shot. Once again, straight down the ground. One bounce to boundary. A lovely timing. Look at that. The ball was a good length delivery, but was ready for that. Fielders are always looking for a wicket. They have been successful 2 wickets. Oh, this is a catch going down. This is oh, coming down the track, and this time there is a race, and the ball will win the race. And yes, it is a much needed from the shoulders of the batsman in making things easy in the difficult time. The going gets tough, the tough get. Now singles in twos will be easy for the batsman. And of course, boundaries if. Oh, lovely shot, but straight to the fielder. A little bit of fumble there. Good cricket from Vijaya Bank. Catch is dropping this over, and now a simple fielding is just let go. The fielders are getting up of Vijaya Bank. Rajat, that flighted delivery. Nicely driven this time in the gap, and the ball will race away to the ball. Brilliant. Look at that, just tilting the bat and good tap. Sheer timing takes the ball racing in the deep point position. Oh, lovely shot, nice and straight down the ground. A beautiful boundaries back to back. Oh, going reverse this time, and once again a beauty with the timing, with the excellent batting from Himanshu Rana. Look at the beauty, absolutely reverse and scoop, slightly tilting the bat. Appeal for leg before but denied. Down without a fight, and what a batting this is from Rajesh Sharma and Himanshu Rana. Full touch ball and good hit. Once again the ball will travel. Tee off T20 format of game. In Air India rising out of nowhere with the help of Himanshu Rana and Rajesh 186. Oh, in the leg side and played straight to the field. That was a wide. And what a splendid inning comes to an end of Himanshu Rana. And a splendid inning. 42 in just 29 deliveries. Look at it, that ball was wide. If he had to leave that ball, he was in 2 minds to play that. But Vijay Bank into the game. Oh, good swing from the fine. A dot ball to
Bharat. New bowler has been introduced into the attack by CM Gautam. Bowling round the wicket. Oh, that was a short ball. And once again, he is employing the same strategy as most of the off spinners do, but it was too short. Too short. Poor first delivery. The way he batted at the non-striker's end. Oh, that was also short. Oh, here comes the replay. It was not a great delivery. Just short, way too short. And he just straight back to the bowler. Dot ball. I told you once again, he bowled that short ball. It is caught. This is will be very happy. Look at that ball. This was so short. Pitched halfway. That ball was there to be hit. Just that he didn't get the timing and straight into the hands of the fielder. The batsman requires power to play those big shots. Once again short, but this time it's the power. And this time it goes way. It was way too short once again. He's missing it altogether. He's This is the reason why he was waiting. This is the reason. And once again another six. In the end, short. Oh, what a shot. This is high. And it's out. He didn't time it that well. The ball, flighted ball in the air, was high for a long, long time. Beautifully taken catch. Sagar Sehrawat. Rohan Rati will be on strike. That was a short ball, loose ball, should get a boundary. It deserved. It was way too short. This should have been stopped actually on the boundary line. Santosh Nanekar, the mixer man, into the match. This time, oh, getting a good bounce there, bending the back right on the Shahrukh Sheikh, Robert Dhanaude, Binu Shigwan and Rushi Chauhan.
That's the beginning once again, and oh my God, there would have been a chance and gets a lucky boundary over GCL official. This time in the air, who is coming underneath it? Who is coming underneath it? In fact, he drops it. Oh my. What's this going to be? Karthik CA with a wonderful delivery. So he have to be very, very crucial to get up his innings. And 16.3 overs, 143 for 6. This time, excellent placement and well fielded. Oh my God, you get more breakthroughs in the upcoming overs.
Because spinner you can... Oh, that was a poor ball. This should go out of the park. A massive strike here. Full toss ball and out of the... This is a ball that can be hit by anyone. Especially when Rohan Rati is out there, who has played 21 deliveries. It's not going to be difficult, isn't it, Saidat? This is changing the pace. Did the trick over there. Once again, this time he gets a boundary. This over will definitely get Air India back into this match. Having a look at the replay, way too short. See how Rohan has not got the wicket. Instead, he has bowled at quota of his 4 overs. He would have required his bowler now, and this is outside edge. 4 runs.
Oh my God, losing their key wicket.
Had come at the crucial juncture here. Right time, right moment. Oh, this is a dot ball at this stage. It will increase so much of pressure. Rohan Rati out back in the pavilion once again. The job. What? Oh, that's the poor delivery. That's the poor delivery. And it's at his hit of the 6s after the 4 that is required. Is he capable enough to score?
1 sixer and 2 boundaries will do it for them. He won 2 sixers and 2 runs will do it for them. He won 3 sixers will do it for them. This time, once again, a boundaries they are getting. Yes, it will. Can they do it, Air India, or is it too late? They're going to get it just after 2 balls.